Nigeria is building a new road. It is a highway, long and ambitious. This is the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. It will stretch for 700 kilometers, hugging the coastline. The highway will begin in Lagos, the bustling commercial nerve center. From there it will snake its way through several states: Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom. Finally, it will reach Calabar and Cross River State. This is no ordinary road. It is a project of immense scale. The government envisions it as an economic corridor, a catalyst for growth and development. The highway promises to unlock opportunities. It will connect people and places. It will facilitate trade and tourism. The government's hopes are high, but challenges lie ahead. The road traverses difficult terrain. It crosses rivers and swamps. Funding is a constant concern. And then there are the questions, whispered and shouted. Questions about transparency. Questions about accountability. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway comes with a hefty price tag. The estimated cost is 15.6 trillion naira. That is a staggering sum, even for a nation with Nigeria's resources. Breaking it down, the cost per kilometer is 4.93 billion naira. Funding for the project is a mix of government funds and loans. The government has committed 1.06 trillion naira for the initial phase. This represents about 6% of the total project cost. This first phase is focused on a critical stretch. It will run from Echo Atlantic to the Lekki deep sea port. Controversy has trailed the project's financing. Some critics question the cost. They argue that it is inflated. Others point to the lack of transparency in the awarding of contracts. Former President Obasanjo, a vocal critic, has called the project wasteful and corrupt. Despite the controversy, the government remains resolute. It insists that the highway is a necessary investment, an investment in Nigeria's future. As of March 2025, construction on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is underway. The government had set an ambitious target. It aimed to complete 47 kilometers by May 2025. Whether this target will be met remains to be seen. Progress has been reported on various sections of the highway. In Lagos State, enumeration and revocation processes have been completed for the first two sections. This paves the way for actual construction to begin. Further down the coast, sections 3A and 3B have been awarded. These sections, totaling 65 kilometers, fall within Cross River and Akwa Ibom states. In the Lekki Free Zone, a key bridge is taking shape. This 80-meter span bridge is designed for heavy trucks. It will facilitate movement of goods to and from the Dangote refinery and other industrial hubs in the area. While specific figures for kilometers covered and concreted are not readily available, the government maintains that the project is on track. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is more than just a road. It is a symbol of Nigeria's aspirations. The government is betting big on this project. It believes that the highway will be a game changer. The potential benefits are numerous. Improved connectivity, enhanced trade and commerce, a boost for tourism, job creation. These are just a few of the anticipated outcomes. The highway is expected to open up new areas for economic activity. It will provide access to markets and resources that were previously difficult to reach. This is particularly significant for the Niger Delta region. The region has long been plagued by underdevelopment and conflict. By the end of 2025, the government aims to have made significant progress on the highway. The focus is on completing the initial sections in Lagos, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom states. If successful, this will provide a much-needed boost to these states and the nation as a whole. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is a long and winding road. There will be challenges along the way, but the potential rewards are too great to ignore.